Bernadette, her mother snapped. Get up. You need to get ready for school. For a moment, the young girl didn't move. Later that morning, Bernadette found herself in a play circle with Miss Trissy. The teacher showed her students different objects. That simple exercise pulled the sullen girl out of her shell. She smiled and giggled with excitement. Bernadette always remembered the first day in kindergarten. The teacher's energy was infectious, her dedication inspiring. From that day forward, she knew her life's goal: to teach. The quiet, listless girl transformed into an engaged student and effective teacher, all because someone took the time to open her eyes and ears to new possibilities.